Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw SweetCoin to PayPal. So here we are. As you can see on the SweetCoin app, as you can see, I've currently got a balance up here in the top right hand corner. Now from the SweetCoin home screen, if you actually come down and press onto this person icon, and then what you want to do is come up to the left hand corner and press onto your profile icon on your profile page. What you need to do now is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the settings icon, and then here what we're going to do is press onto help. On the help screen, what you're going to want to do is come down and press where it says other common queries, and you can see there's a query at the top saying, can I cash out my SweetCoins to PayPal or my bank account? So if we actually press onto this to open it up, as you can see, it currently says at the moment it's not possible to cash out SweetCoins via PayPal or bank transfer. For the long-term vision is to make SweetCoin a fully fledged currency that will be listed on exchange. But don't wait for this. Please spend your SweetCoins in the marketplace with our brand partners. PayPal and Amazon vouchers are featured regularly, especially if you're inviting new to friends. So can you withdraw SweetCoin to PayPal? Well, at the time of recording, no, you cannot. You cannot directly withdraw your SweetCoin to PayPal. However, as mentioned here, keep an eye on the marketplace, as they do sometimes have PayPal and Amazon vouchers which you can cash in your SweetCoins for and exchange out for PayPal vouchers. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.